Hello all, good morning. This is Dr. S. Subbalakshmi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. This is a lecture video series on the course Matrices and Calculus, and now we are on to the topic Evolute of the given curve. In the previous videos, we have seen problem number 1 on the equation of the evolute of the given parabola. Now it is to find the evolute of the ellipse. What is the equation of the ellipse here? It is x squared by a square plus y squared by b squared is equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. In the first step, we have to write the parametric equation of the ellipse. What are the parametric equation of the ellipse? It is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. Next step is to find the center of curvature because evolute is the locus of center of curvature. To find center of curvature, we are in need of y1 and y2. y1 and y2 are the derivatives of first derivative and the second derivative respectively. Now, we have to differentiate x with respect to theta, y with respect to theta, and we have to find y1. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. dy by dx can be rewritten as dy by d theta by dx by d theta. We have found on differentiating x, we have a into minus sin theta. On differentiating y, we have b into cos theta. So this is y1 is equal to, in the numerator we have b cos theta, in the denominator we have minus a sin theta. And on simplifying it, we have y1 is equal to minus b by a cot theta. Now we'll move on to the next thing. So next thing is d squared y by dx squared. To find the d squared y by dx squared, which is y2, we are in need of d by dx of minus b by a cot theta, which is y1. So we cannot just like that differentiate the element inside the brackets. So we are just taking this d theta and d theta here and differentiating it. Firstly, we will be differentiating this cot theta, differentiation of cot theta as minus cosecant square theta, and minus 1 by a into sin theta remains the same from the previous step, and this is nothing but the reciprocal of dx by d theta. Now, what is the final answer for y2? y2 is equal to minus b by a square into cosecant square theta sin theta. Now, next step is to find the locus, which means x bar and y bar. We knew that x comma y is a cos theta and x comma y is a cos theta and b sin theta. Now what is x bar? X bar is nothing but x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. We will just substitute the found values here. X is a cos theta, y1 is minus b by a cot theta, y2 is minus b by a square into sin cube theta. We have just substituted and simplified it. So what do we have in the next step? We have just taken LCM here and we have have substituted it. So what we have here, cot theta can be replaced with cos theta by sin theta, and that sin theta can be done in the denominator, and in the first element you will be having a square into sin square theta as the first element. So on cancelling out the extra terms here, we will be divided by a cos theta minus a cos theta by a into a squared sin square theta plus b squared cos square theta. Now on simplifying it, we have cos cube theta by a into a square minus b square, which is nothing but cos cube theta into a square minus b square divided by a. In a similar way, we are going to find y1. Now we are just about to find y bar. Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 squared by y1. Now what is y? y1 is y is b sin theta and y1 is b squared by a squared. y1 squared is b squared by a squared into cos square theta, and y1 is minus y2 is minus b by a square into sin cube theta. On simplifying this, we will have the elements, we will have the final answer as minus a square by b sin cube theta plus b into sin cube theta, and on simplifying it, we will have the remaining terms as sin cube theta into b square minus a square divided by b. Now what we have to find? We have to find the evolute. What is an evolute? Evolute is the locus of centers of curvature. Therefore, we need to eliminate theta between the x bar and y bar. We have just written x bar and y bar here. We have just written x bar and y bar here, and we have taken all the theta terms to the LHS and all the other terms to the RHS. So we have got here as cos cube theta is equal to x bar into a by a square minus b square, sin cube theta is equal to y bar into b by b square minus a square. So what we have to do is, the known formula is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. We have to change it this cos cube theta to cos square and sin cube theta to sin square. So that is what we have done with the hint that raising to the power 2 by 3. On either sides, we have raised to the power 2 by 3 and simplified the problem. So we have on the LHS, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now we have on the LHS, it is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and on the RHS, the simplified terms. So what will be this cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is equal to 1, and on simplifying you will be having the same LCM, and the remaining terms are written in the above step in the numerator. So on simplifying it, we will have x bar a to the power 2 by 3 minus y bar b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3. Now what we have to do in the final step, we have to replace x bar by x and y bar by y, so that we will get the answer for the ellipse, which means evolute of the ellipse. This is nothing but x a to the power 2 by 3 minus y b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3, which is the equation of the evolute for the ellipse. So this is how we perform a problem to find the equation of the evolute for the given question. Thank you.